So this evening, the teenager accused of causing the crash that killed a Hartford police detective was back in court today for his first pretrial hearing. Dozens of members of law enforcement were also in the courtroom to show their support for the fallen officer's family. NBC Connecticut's Amanda Pitts is joining us now with much more. Amanda.
Yeah, Keisha, that teen, Richard Barrington Jr., is now 19. His family yelled happy birthday to him as he left the courtroom after the hearing. Also there was Bobby Garton's family and his brothers and sisters on the Hartford police force, roughly 75 of them rallying around his loved ones.
You lost a great police officer and you lost a great person.
Outside Hartford Superior Court Tuesday, a crowd of Hartford police officers for Richard Barrington Jr.'s first pretrial hearing.
I have been informed that they are in the final stages of retaining private counsel for Mr. Barrington.
The family of Detective Bobby Garton watched on and were shielded by the dozens of officers on their way out.
They're miserable. They're miserable. They lost their son. I mean, there's a light in your eyes that just diminishes when you lose a child.
The Hartford police detective lost his life back in September in this crash that Barrington is alleged to have caused. Police say Barrington was fleeing a traffic stop when he hit a Hartford police cruiser on Asylum Avenue with Officer Brian Carney behind the wheel and Garton in the passenger seat as the pair were responding to a different call. The crash killed Garton and left Carney with serious injuries.
He did nothing. He did nothing. He ran from the cops because he was young and dumb. That's about it.
The now 19-year-old is facing multiple charges, including first-degree manslaughter and driving under the influence. He also had family in the courtroom who defended him on their way out.
We're here to support. That's all we're here to support Richard Barrington. He did nothing wrong.
As the court proceedings continue, the head of the Hartford Police Union says he'd like to see this ordeal end with accountability.
You know, he has the opportunity to work through this, be accountable for his actions, and hopefully maybe in the future guide youth not to do these things. So we don't have to stand out here and have these conferences and talk about the loss to our families.
Now, the hearing was continued to June 5th. The police union added that officers will be there for every court appearance going forward. As for Officer Carney, we've learned he has returned to full duty. Live in studio, Amanda Pitts, NBC Connecticut News. Guys.
Amanda, thank you.